Thank you for the very nice introduction, and it's amazing to be in Porto. I worked with Sandeman in the past, and I know Porto very well. And it's always nice to be in such a beautiful city, country, city, and which is special for food, for wine, of course, and for the environment. And the weather conditions are fantastic, and I thank you for staying here in spite of the very nice sunny day outside. So I would like to add a picture to my title. Shrinking, 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 spectroscopy in Wonderland is a motto that has been created by my very good friend Richard Crocombe. He is truly a guru of spectroscopy. And he invented this motto, thinking to the fairy tale of Alice in Wonderland. You might remind that when Alice gets smaller and smaller and smaller, she can enter into the magic garden, which is a new world. And that will be the same for spectroscopy. If we will be able, and we are already able, and it is much on the market at the moment, and there will be even more in the future, if we will be able to make the spectrometers teeny tiny, very little, it's amazing the many applications that will be considered. Couple of words about myself, just to break the ice. I am a scientist of CNR. CNR is the National Research Council of Italy. It is a publicly funded research organization. We are not a university. Our salaries are paid by the Ministry of Research, but for the research we do, we must compete at regional, national, European level for fundraising. This is the area where the CNR has 7 departments and 88 institutes. And this is an image of the area nearby Florence. We are behind the airport. And here is where my institute is. The name is quite vague because it is Institute of Applied Physics. That means nothing in practice. There are groups working in space or aerospace and Earth observation, groups working with health, nanomedicine, and safety, groups working with cultural heritage, and also groups working with environment.